I'm Dr. Steph DeWorth, a doctor of physical therapy, and I'm here today to show you how to use the ComfiLumba. I'm going to teach you how to use it in your car seat, but keep in mind you can really use it in any chair at home or even a desk chair. The ComfiLumba can help alleviate tailbone pressure while sitting. It can improve your posture and alignment while sitting, and it can also improve visibility if you're someone who's shorter and struggles to see up over the dashboard in your car. So here's how to set it up. To install this, you're going to place it on your car seat with the lumbar gap or that cutouts facing the back, like so. Then you'll connect the straps behind the car seat. They are extendable if you need to make them longer. And it's all ready for most of us. It's the perfect length to sit on, and the tailbone is going to end up being right where that gap is in the back. Just so you know, if you feel like you're sitting up too tall now, then just adjust your car seat height down. But what if you have long legs or are really tall? Then you can use the extender. To add the extender, you're just going to attach it to the 3 Velcro pieces on the back of the seat cushion, like so. As you can see, it now extends longer, so it's closer to the length of my car seat. And when I extend my legs out, they're padded all the way down to my knees. And I really love that these velour and mesh covers are machine washable, so you can wash them and then hang dry to preserve the quality. I hope that you'll enjoy driving or riding pain-free with the ComfiLumba cushion.